welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to put a video on top of another video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have my timeline, there's nothing in it, so I'm going to grab my video here. I'm just going to bring it into the timeline. There we got the first one, and let's say I want to add this video on top. You literally just put it in the bit above it, okay? And it will play like this. They'll play simultaneously on top of each other. What you might want to do as well is head into Effect Controls up here on the top left. If it's not appearing, it will be in Window, Effect Controls, make sure it's ticked. Let me just click on that, sorry. And mess around with the motion. You can move it so a video will play on top of another video in a specific place where you want it. Okay, so let's just test that out. There you go, both videos playing at the same time. That is literally how you do it. That's how you put one video on top of another video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.